John is the property manager of the ABC community. Recently, he was upset about the old-fashioned intercom system of the property. There are over 300 tenants living in the community. With tenants moving in and out, security became a serious concern as key cards were not returned sometimes and door entry records were not available. Also, there had been many complaints about the poor audio quality of the intercom and bad entry experience for both tenants and visitors. John was in dire need of an advanced intercom system to improve the security of the property, boost his productivity, and increase tenant satisfaction. However, the budget was limited, and keeping tenants at home all day for installation would make them feel they're wasting time, let alone the potential wall or property damage during the installation. Check door release logs anytime and anywhere, and generate temporary QR codes for visitors like friends, deliverymen, and housekeeping people. Or on the intuitive touchscreen UI for the door phone, visitors can dial out tenants' apartment numbers or search tenants' names in the phone book. Once they make the call, tenants will get notified immediately. Tapping the answer button, tenants can see and talk to visitors and unlock the door for them. Message delivery also gets easy to make sure all tenants receive community notices timely. What's more, the door release log with date and time stamped photos makes every door entry traceable, which brings tremendous convenience to property managers and a great sense of security to tenants.